In this session, let us learn about HTML comments. HTML comments, HTML comment tag. HTML comments are not displayed in the browser, but they can help document your HTML source code. You can add comments to your HTML source by using the following syntax. Here, notice that there is an exclamation point in the start tag but not in the end tag. See here, the exclamation tag here starting, and there is no exclamation mark in end tag. Comments are not displayed by the browser, but they can help document your HTML source code. Add comments. With comments, you can place notifications and reminders in your HTML code. See here, this is a comment. See, comments are not displayed in the browser. See, they did not displayed here. Hide content. Comments can be used to hide content, which can be helpful if you hide content temporarily. See here, now we are here hiding here. This is another paragraph. See, we have given this paragraph 3 times, but one we have hidden with the comment. See, this is paragraph 2. The middle one did not displayed here. You can also hide more than one line. Everything between the comment and the will be hidden from the display. See here, hide section of HTML code. See here, look at the school image border 0, source image picture 3, png all picture. We have hidden totally. See here, this paragraph, look at the school image, this paragraph 2. It was hidden. See the example here, look at the school image border 0, source picture png all picture. See here, the picture did not displayed here because we have hidden with the comment element. Comments are also great for debugging HTML because you can comment out HTML lines of code one at a time to search for errors. See, hide a part of paragraph. Now we are hiding a small part in this paragraph. See, the great text was hidden. See here, the result is a paragraph. The great text did not printed here because it was hidden. Okay friends, this is the end of HTML part 12, HTML comments. In next video, let us learn about another topic, HTML colors. If you like our program, please like, subscribe and press bell icon for our next part video updates. Thank you friends. Meet you in next video. All the best.